Hey there, welcome to our presentation. My group will be presenting a website called Fitco, and my group members composed of Dylan Rosario, Jiazeng Wang, myself, Anshu Shaju, and Daniel Huang. So our mission as part of Fitco is to develop high quality casual clothing for all age groups and with elegance and comfort and style. And we will develop all our products from sustainable sources, and we are based in the Oceania region. And we hope that through our products, each person can redefine themselves and bring a different kind of style to their lives.
So let's take a look at how we approach our business strategy using the balanced scorecard framework. So there are four key areas. First, with our financial perspective, we aim to increase profitability, decrease expenses, and boost our sales revenue. And then with our customer perspective, we focus on customer satisfaction and user experience to grow our market share. And then with our internal processes, we plan to streamline our operations, improve security, and automate certain tasks. And then finally, with the learning and growth perspective, we will commit to develop our IT infrastructure and prioritize our customers and employee training and skills. So here's our strategy map for our business. So with the financial perspective, our primary goals are to decrease expenses by 15% in the first year and increase profitability by optimizing operations. We're also aiming for a 20% increase in sales by launching targeted marketing campaigns. And then with our customer's perspective, we're focusing on improving customer satisfaction. So we aim to have over 100 five-star reviews, and then we'll enhance the customer experience with personalized shopping interface. And we also aim to increase our market share by 10% by targeting new customer demographics. With our internal processes, our objectives are to streamline operations by automating tasks, improving marketing effectiveness, and using data analytics to boost conversions by 15% to enhance security, with zero breaches as our target. And then with learning and growth, we are committed to transforming IT for a 99% uptime and developing a customer centric culture with 90% employee engagement and enhance IT skills through comprehensive training.
So the first information resource strategy is Porter's 5 competitive forces. This is where information systems and technology should be used by Fitco so that they can create a competitive advantage for their business. For the potential threat of new entrants, they can create a unique website, build an online community, and provide great customer service by using a AI chatbot which provides 24/7 customer service. They can reduce the bargaining power of buyers by creating customer loyalty through the online community that they build. They can reduce the bargaining power of suppliers by finding a regular supplier that uses just industry standard technology rather than one that's using cutting edge technology and is more expensive to source. For the threat of substitute products, Fitco should aim to deliver a competitive product using a supplier which is able to deliver a product which is cheap but also high quality so that they can pass this on to their customers. And five, industry competitors. Again, Fitco should create their unique brand image so that customers are unlikely to turn to competitors and they stick with Fitco. So, for the second information resource strategy, we have the value chain model. This involves all the activities that create value for Fitco. We've got primary activities and support activities. So, for primary activities, there's information systems involved throughout the whole process and involved in the whole delivery of the product to the customer. So, for example, in inbound logistics, we've got the tracking system that tracks the product being delivered to the warehouse. Or in operations, which is the actual warehouse where stock is being processed, we've got conveyor belts, we've got sensors that are scanning all the different freight that's coming in and then sorting it in the warehouse. Or in marketing and sales, for example, there's lots of information systems and IT being involved in marketing and sales. So from social media to the actual website itself. So those are some examples of information systems being used in the primary activities. And then for the support activities, again, a lot of technology is required to create value with these support activities. So human resources, all the people working are using the information systems for Fitco, for example, running the website, or whether that be data analysis. And then the technology as well is specifically the technology used within Fitco. So for example, we've got the human resources management system, we've got the warehouse information system that tracks all the sensor data and all the stock locations. So, and the third information resource strategy is the resource-based view strategy. So this involves looking at the information technology in the business from an assets and capabilities viewpoint. And these are the things that provide value to the business. So for the IT infrastructure, we've got warehouse information systems, the website, social media, the information repository, which is all the customer information and data that is used by Fitco to create personalized recommendations for their customers. And then in the IT capabilities, we've got technical skills. This involves the in-house data analytics team. We have IT management skills, which is a trained team with business knowledge working at Fitco and running everything behind the scenes. And then we have relationship skills, and this is about having a good relationship with the supplier and the manufacturer and other relationships in the business, whether that be with customers or within the workplace itself.
Hello everyone, I will be sharing our IT version for our online closing story, specifically how our technology strategy aligns with our key business objectives. We have identified 5 primary business objectives that are crucial to the success of our e-commerce solution: increasing sales and revenue, enhancing customer experiences, improving operational effectively, building customer loyalty, and raising brand awareness. Each of these objectives require specific IT enablers to ensure they are met effectively. For example, to increasing sales and revenue, we will leverage a robust commerce platform, SEO tools, and personalized marketing to reach more customers. Enhancing customer experiences will involve creating a user-friendly, secure, and responsive design, providing a seamless shopping experiences. To improve our operational effectively, we will use ERP integration, automatic workflows, and real-time data analysis to streamline processes. Customer loyalty will be strengthened through CRM systems and loyalty programs, fostering repeat business and long-term relationships. Lastly, to build brand awareness, we will harness website marketing and social media integration to connect with our audience.
So 5 business processes that our project will have is ordering, payment, customer support, marketing, and security. These are 5 business processes that our website will incorporate to ensure its success and our product success as part of Fitco. And I've shown here a swim lane diagram for the ordering business process. And in this swim lane diagram, what we show is the customer first opens the website, searches for products, and then adds products that they desire. And when they add, the e-commerce website checks if the product is in stock. And if it is, it adds it to the shopping cart. And after this, the customer can then review their order. And then if they want to confirm their choices, then the website will redirect them to the checkout phase. If they don't confirm their choices, then they can modify the choices again, and then again review the order and then confirm. And this is how the ordering process works.
Everyone, I will present how our company aligns its business IT strategy to create a competitive advantage. Starting with the motivation and the strategy layers, we focus on 2 key goals: reducing the threat of new entrants and enhance customer loyalty. This is achieved through the unique IT-driven strategies, like a distinguished website to represent the brand and building an online community for customer engagement. In the business layers, this strategy translates into processes such as customer service management and loyalty program management. We use these processes to ensure high-quality customers interactions and to leverage the personalized recommendations for increasing loyalty. Moving down to the application layer, we have several core applications, including an e-commerce website, a community platform for customers' engagement, a recommendation engine for personalization, and a CRM system to manage customer data effectively. Finally, in the technology layer, these applications rely on infrastructures like website server, a database server for secure data storage, and a recommendation engine server. The security firewall protects all customers' interactions.
So the data strategy is related to the data ecosystem, which is everything involving data behind Fitco. So there's two main aspects of this. There's the types of data and then data governance, which is how the data is handled and processed. So for the types of data, we've got external data, such as data from suppliers and manufacturers that are not related to internally to the business. There's unstructured data. So for example, social media posts, comments, then emails from customers, and then we have structured data, which is data that is easily processed and it's already in a structured form. So we have the warehouse data from sensors. For example, we have the website data for Fitco, and we have product data, which is all the information about each product. And then data governance is how we handle all this data for Fitco. So in the data delivery, we process that data using that's done by the in-house data analytics team, and then they deliver this data as reports, which is used so that the business performance can be analyzed and improvements can be made. And then we have data custody, which is just talking about how the data itself is managed. So only authorized users can access this data, and all of this data is stored within cloud storage so that it's easier to access and it takes up less space within the actual business. And there'll be less costs as well, which involving handling that data with physical data storage servers, which is very expensive.
Okay, so now we'll be going through the Fitco website. I'll be going through the homepage. First of all, on the top right, there's a couple of tabs here that customers can go through. Home, About, and Products. For the homepage, we can scroll down. There's a big image showing our new arrivals, and then a couple of our product categories, and then also our customer reviews. At the bottom of the page, there's also our email and our Instagram.
So in our About page, in this page we have our design over here, Fitco, and our mission statement of who we are and what we do. And it's a simple design, and on the right we can see that if there's any feedback that they can call us or send us via email. And this is a prototype so that our clients will be showing, or any sponsors that are sponsoring our products and stuff like that. Any other collaborations will show on that page, and that is our group IDs for the time being. But this is we have a simple design, elegant design, to make sure it's easy for users to navigate through the website.
So for the products part of our website, we've got a products tab with a drop-down menu, and this shows the 4 sections of our website for products. We've got pants and shorts, tees and shirts, hoodies and sweatshirts, and then the new arrivals page. And then you can see here, this is an example of one of the pages. It's the new arrivals page. It's a very clear, easy to use layout. We've got the new arrivals title, which lets the customer know what page they're on. And then it just displays those new arrival products. And by having these different sections, it allows the customer to sort through finding the product they want easier.
During our accessibility review, we identified key areas for improvement to enhance user experiences. First, we recommend replacing simple bold elements with semantic text that emphasize meaning, improving readability for all users. Next, we found navigability issues, like empty links that need to be described text to help users understanding their destination. Finally, to ensure readability, the page's language attributes needs a valid language code, so screen readers can correctly interpret that content. Addressing these issues will significantly improve accessibility.